Foundry project, and this will be an application to 3 developer ambassador program, but likewise this will be Foundry update. Now, what is Foundry? Let me remind you again. Foundry is a part3 project launchpad where people can launch the startup, and then after launching the project, then people can execute a lot of tasks privately within the community and also within the people who you want appeal to. And this private execution will be done by seal and 3NS integration. Part of our mission is to solve the problem with scam project, where people are invited to join some scam project and stolen some money. And say you wanna launch a project called status with this picture, you'll be arrested, right? So this will not be possible in our project, and that is because like on basically with the 3NS integration, a lot of large company has already registered their name on 3NS. In this way, we can identify whether the project is already launched on the platform or not. So that way, 3NS will be used in prevention against the scam project. So say sample project 3 developer AMP01, and this will be DAO. Now, I can give this person as a developer identity. I can give this person as a designer. Now, what am I doing here? I am giving the subdomain NFT of 3NS to the person, which represents the role in this project. Now, let me demonstrate it as soon as possible. So firstly, all of the metadata will be stored as a JSON format in Walrus. So firstly, the user will store data on Walrus. Sorry, I connected to wrong wallet. Okay, so firstly, the user will store data on Walrus. Then, after that, user will give 3NS to relevant people, 3NS to people whom I mentioned in the previous section. So I said this person is a developer. So if I look at his portfolio, he should have received developer sample 3 developer 01. So at Foundry, so this is giving the on-chain identity using 3NS, and this person has got the designer identity. So this will give idea of who you are on this platform, and then this 3NS like subdomain will act really crucial role in our seal approve function. So I'll move to the different project called Night Tuna Tuna, and I want to have some like a serious planning in like Q1. Now this is not relevant to say that, oh, I want to get some founder, but say I want to get founder from like other project. Then how do I collect founders? You can specify the job role that person have, in this case founder, one, and then you will post a job. Now here you are specifying the requirements that the user trying to see the job role. So you are setting the requirement. So now this is all set. And now if I look at the night tuner, okay, so I'll remind you, if one person created a project, then user will get .founder NFT. So if you look at my wallet account on testnet, you can see I've got founder.sample project. This means if I try to decrypt this job, then I can see this project, and that is because the person who opened this job role said at least person who hold at least more than one founder NFT can view this project. Now let's try with other person. Say this designer, and remind you it's night tuner. Now if I look at the job role and try to decrypt it, it will take time, and then eventually it will say, hey, I failed to decrypt, and that is because I do not hold any founder NFT, so that's why it failed to decrypt. It failed to be decrypted. So this 3NS identification process in a in the seal approve function will give human resources to collect a lot more relevant people to one project. So let's apply to the job role. By the way, since the data stored on the walrus, data tried to be encrypted is really small, the seal is really fast now, so I don't really have to worry about splitting data into small chunks and then store it separately on, Anyway, firstly, if you submit the application, then that will be stored on Walrus, and then some on-chain state of the object will be changed. So if I look at the project right now, night tuner, then you can see the this one, the latest one, has one applicant. If I accept it on chain, then you can accept it, and then job state will be changed on chain as well using the enum. Now if you look at the night tuner again, then one guy is added to the job. If I complete the job, then silly bugs on my code, but basically if you complete the job, then you can get the 10 USDC because you've done the job, and job validator completed the job, and then you've got the 10 USDC reward. In this way, any startup founders can execute the jobs collect people privately, then execute the jobs in a private environment, and this will assure people to this will assure people not to store any private information on centralized organization. So that is my project with the 3NF integration and CO integration. So hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.